Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I wanted to take my cat via PIA to Islamabad. Now, if you're watching this video, you will get to know a lot of things and your information would definitely be increased, inshallah. See, as I was planning to go to Islamabad, I wanted to take my cat along with me because I was going for a few days. So I contacted PIA. They said yes, you can send your cat, but what you can do is you can give us the cat beforehand, like some hours before your flight, and then when it's time for your flight, you can go to the airport and then you can fly, and we'll send your cat when it is suitable for the cat, like the plane can carry the cat and there's no dead body in it. So that was a very alarming answer to me, because see, it's a cat I was talking about, not some human being who could manage himself or herself at the airport. And another dangerous thing that they were telling me was that it might also happen. I said I want my cat and me to go in the same plane. Not that if my cat is going separately, I am flying separately, because I don't know anybody there who can handle my cat there if it reaches before me. See, does that make sense to you? A cat who cannot speak except for meow meow is reaching beforehand, and I am reaching afterwards, and you know about PIA, their schedules, their flights may get delayed and everything. So I said to them that I want to go in the same plane, and I want to have my cat in the cabin, because it's not a dog, it cannot bite or attack anybody like that, or I'm not talking about a lion. So I just said that I want to fly with my cat in the cabin. I should have my cat in a carrier box, so that it will not it will be more suitable and safe for it to go. They said no, you cannot have the cat inside the cabin. It will have to be in the place where pets are kept inside the plane. I said, well, what about the cooling and ventilation there? They said, yeah, when a pet is present in the that place in the plane, the pilot is informed and he turns on the AC there and everything, and oxygen also there, because we don't have oxygen in every plane like in that area. So I said, I was just thinking, what if may Allah have mercy upon my cat, what if the pilot forgets to turn on the oxygen, because it's PIA's pilot we are talking about. And so and then I contacted other airlines in my country, and they said no pets, we don't arrange for pets. So I was like, what should I do then? Then I was like really worried. So I went to the airport also to ask PIA about it and everything. The guy was talking in a very loud tone there, and I had to step back because I did not tell him that I'm deaf. So what happened was, all the information that I gathered, all the people I met for PIA, in PIA and everything, and the information that I gathered was, if I'm sending my cat, it's not necessary that my cat would be in the same plane, because not all carriers are that big. Now I don't understand. It's a cat we are talking. I'm not talking about sending a rhinoceros. I am totally astonished. Then they said, what may happen is you may reach earlier and your cat might come later on. I was thinking to myself, what the heck are they talking about? If my cat reaches before me, how would it go to the washroom? How would it eat? Because I could put a small amount of food in its carrier box, but not much. And how about the water? It may get spilled, and because Islam has asked us to be really kind towards animals, and Islam has encouraged loving cats. So I can't do this to my cat, For example, if someone's cat reaches at 4 p.m. and the lady or guy whose flight is arriving at 12 in the night, what would the cat do? I cannot depend on PIA for that. So that was a totally weird situation to me, and I was very, very surprised, because I read on the internet and there are airlines that allow you to carry your cat in the cabin in that safe box, so that it can breathe also and it can be with you in the cabin. So saying, and they also said that if there is a dead body inside the plane, we will not send your cat. Now just think about it. I am waiting for my cat at the airport, for example, and there's a dead body in the plane. They're not going to send my cat. Now my cat is going to suffer for hours in their area, and I will not trust them that they will give it food, water, they will arrange for the litter box also. Seriously. So I decided I do not want to risk my pet's life at any cost. So I did not go, though I had booked the ticket and then I got it refunded, which because I was really scared, and I got it refunded. But PIA really disappointed me, because overall in the world there are so many airlines that allow you to carry your pet, because naturally if you're going somewhere for many days, you will not leave your cat behind to hate you forever.